Hey guys, just wanted to show you the latest M&R Automotive double 30-inch light bar setup. You can see it mounted right here to the ADD Pro bolt-on bumper on this RAM TRX. It has two 30-inch light bars mounted one on top of the other. You can pick amber for both, white for both, or one white, one amber. Completely up to you. Both are offered. It comes with two bolts on each side. There's the mounting bracket. You can see the Allen heads to adjust the lights up and down. Here's a comparison of the Baja Designs LP6 lights. I have dual LP6s, and then I'm also going to switch on my M&R 30-inch dual light bars, both in white. So first the LP6s. That's what they look like. You can see they have kind of a bright spot beam, kind of right here, and then light surrounding it. And then I'm going to switch it off and switch right into my M&R. That's the M&R Automotive bars right there, dual bars. You can see it gives a lot better lighting in the upper areas, around the sides here, kind of a very broad beam pattern, whereas the LP6's driving combo lens have more of a direct focus beam. Here's the LP6 again, and M&R again. And I'm going to do them both at the same time now. I'm going to shut them both off. We're going to do LP6 first, and then see what the difference is with the M&R. Here we go. So you can see it got brighter, and it also lit up that tree a lot better. See, I'm toggling it on and off right now. My camera's trying to adjust, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Here's a darker street. This is just my headlights right now. And then these are the LPs. Turn them off, and then this is the M&R Automotive.